Today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Acura MDX, located under the hood in the front left of the vehicle. We're going to remove this trim over here. Start by lifting the corners and work your way out. Lift on the top and pull out. Now we're going to remove part of the intake by removing these two clips right here by using a clip removal tool. And then just lift up. Remove the negative cable by using a 10mm wrench. And pop it back out. And now we'll remove the positive terminal. Pull the terminal out and set it aside. Your vehicle may have a battery tray cover. Ours is missing. If you have it, this will be the time to remove it. So now just pull it out. Now you can wipe your battery tray. Now let's install the battery. Make sure to line it up with the tray. If your vehicle has a cover, now will be the time to put it on. Like I mentioned previously, this vehicle is missing it. Using a wire brush, we're going to clean our battery post. Wipe it off. Make sure you also clean your terminals. Do the same on the other side. And now you're ready to install your terminals. Starting with the positive cable. Make sure you tighten your 10mm bolt. Make sure it's snug. Install your negative terminal. Snug it down. Reinstall your intake tube. Don't forget the two clips. Now reinstall your front cover. Make sure you get it under the front latch. And now slide it into place. Make sure you clip both corners. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.